Hey, this is Rush. So today I want to talk to you about a different way that you're able to bring products into Sell the Trend and bring products into your store. So everyone is familiar with the way we currently can add products to our store. So in any of our explorers, pretty much you can click either on the product research or on a specific add to store or push to store button, and you're able to add a product to your store. So in this instance here, we're in the Nexus trending products. So if I click on the product research for this product here, and then I click on add to store, it will then bring up this window here that allows me to choose all the pictures that I want to add and the text and, the fulfillment options and all that kind of stuff. And then when I'm ready, I click on push to store. So these are products that are already in the Sell the Trend system. So what if you wanted to add products that are not in the Sell the Trend system? So let's head over to Aliexpress here and check out what we have added to the latest version of our Chrome extension. So we're here at a regular Aliexpress listing page for this women's fashion category. And now what you can see, if you have the latest version of our Chrome extension installed, you're going to see some additional details here that are going to be shown on this page. So you're going to be able to see stuff like, for each of these products, some information like whether it has e-packet, and then the price for the particular for e-packet, as well as the processing time. So you can see here 3-day processing, 5-day processing, as well as whether a product does not have e-packet available. And you're going to be able to pick any of these products and quickly send them to your store by clicking on the Sell the Trend logo here. So if you click on this, you can see here it says adding products to import list and product added to import list. So we're going to talk about the import list in 2 seconds, but let's go into one of these products here to see another way to add products to this import list. And you can see here on the bottom right here of any product as well, you're going to see the Sell the Trend logo. Same thing happens. You click this button and it will add it to our import list. So what is this import list? This is a new area that you're going to have in your Sell the Trend account that is going to collect these products that we just kind of sent to our import list. So I'm here back on Sell the Trend in my import list, and you're going to see that the product that we send from Aliexpress is right here, the first product. So this import list, you're going to be able to find it in the My Stores area here, import list. And what you're going to be able to do in this page right here is going to be able to import any of these products that you've been collecting from Aliexpress and be able to push them straight to your store. So this particular product right here that we just kind of found on Aliexpress, we can click this add to store right here. And what we'll do is it will add the product information here. It's going to grab the product description from Aliexpress, including whatever images that were there. It's going to grab all the images here that we can then select which one we want to add to our store. And as usual, all the regular fulfillment options, e-packet and the particular, variants and all that kind of stuff that is going to get imported to your store with this product. So that is pretty cool. Now, not only do you have access to the millions of products that are inside the Sell the Trend system, now you have the flexibility to go to Aliexpress, bring in any product from there into Sell the Trend and be able to push it to your store. Now, are there any other advantages to bringing in products from Aliexpress into Sell the Trend besides being able to push them to your store really easily? Well, glad you asked. Let's go back to our import page and see what else can we do here. So this is the product that we brought in from Aliexpress right now. And let's look at this product right here. This is a product that I brought in earlier. And as you can see here, we have access to the product research for this product. So why did this happen? So if you now bring in a product from Aliexpress, and we do have the same product or a similar product in our Nexus Explorer, then you're going to be able to see the product research for this product. So let's look at this particular product right here. We click on the product research. And as you can see here, you will have access to the entire Nexus product research for this particular product. You're going to be able to see, the orders trend. You're going to be able to see the stores trend. You're going to be able to see the top countries, download video, all the same stuff. And of course, if you click on the add to store, you're going to be able to see not only what we're able to see before, which is the AliExpress descriptions, you're going to now have access to all the descriptions. And look at this product page right here, all the descriptions from these other stores that have added this product, and be able to see exactly how they are marketing this product, as well as the images that they're using, as well as, you know, the prices that they're setting. And of course, you're going to be able to access the, you know, the fulfillment area and add a custom fulfillment source if you choose. So now this is a really powerful way that if you bring in a product from AliExpress, not only can you push it to your store really easily, now you might have access to the entire Sell the Trend data set about this particular product. So that is a product that we added that we were able to find automatically in the Nexus Explorer, and you'll have access to the product research for this product. For some products, you won't have access to the product research. We don't have them in the Nexus, but if we are able to locate the product in our AliExpress Explorer, then you will have access to the trend chart for this product like we can for these two products right here. So for this product, let's click on that. You have access to the orders trend chart for this, as well as the daily orders chart for this product. So another really powerful way for you to be able to add brand new products to your store with the added benefit of being able to connect these products to any data that we might have on them. So that is our new AliExpress import feature that allows you to import products straight from AliExpress with the added benefit of being able to find data about these products.